So added vinegar, ginger garlic paste and oil. हाँ ठीक है, आने देना. Ask him to come to the coffee shop. अच्छा, he doesn't want to come here. He'll love it. Okay. Okay. Texture needs to be very fine.
Again, all the basic marinations are emulsion.
Sorry, come to Residency Coffee Shop. You'll be here in 15 minutes and everything here also will be ready in 15 minutes. We'll have something and then we'll go. Yeah, come. The green chili didn't break, is it? This takes what, 15-20 minutes to marinate once you add this?
You can put it almost immediately. I'll give 5 minutes to put it.
But the more the better, or does it make a difference?
Not with seafood.
Okay.
Not with seafood. Other meats, chicken, all that, yes. But with seafood, you don't want to marinate for long. The cooking process starts. The moment you add vinegar and salt, cooking process already started.
Okay.
Then when the marination is there, the cooking process शुरू हो चुका है.
Okay.
You don't want it marinated for too long.
Okay.
Seafood especially. If you really love the flavor of the
Meat.
corn or the meat. For Indian palate, generally we like it marinated for a long time. Taste it.
Nice and spicy.
Yeah.
Good. The spice level will tone down later as you cook. So you'll have to add the lemon to kill the spice level.
If you need, yes.
Okay. It's heavy on spice. So if you want to tone it down, then you tone down. I think the green chili is more prominent. I felt. Yeah.
So when you're putting it, you add less
Less of the marination.
of the marination.
Okay.
You don't marinate it in.
Or you put less masala.
Put less masala.
Okay. Fair enough.
For example, you say you want it less spicy. Yeah. If you use too much, thoda liya.
So you can you can grill this as such, right? You don't need to add this Indian spice to it.
You don't.
So one piece we'll try it that way.
So this is less spicy. Yeah. वो heavily spice. ज़्यादा लिया, ज़्यादा marinate कर दिया. ये तीखा हो गया. Then we'll leave it as it is.
Okay. And what about the lobster?
How do you like it spiced?
Less spicy.
Less-
Medium.
Medium?
Yeah. Or just spice one side, leave the other side.
नहीं वो नहीं करना.
नहीं? Okay.
Spice as you put it for grilling,
It'll spread
it will
everywhere.
spread everywhere.
Okay.
One thing I imagine is this is sour. So that's going to cut into a little bit of your spice.
Okay. ठीक है.
The marination that we have put here is nice and sour.
Okay.
तो उसमें आपका कैसे भी थोड़ा कटने वाला है. Later we'll make some accompaniment to go with this.
Okay.
No, you make. Don't give me mashed potatoes also. Yeah, polenta is nice. Polenta, quinoa.
And what do you do with the butter garlic?
Polenta. As they're grilling.
On top of this?
As they're grilling.
But I thought that was a different
Which one?
item as it is, as such. Just butter garlic, no? Okay. This is meant for this only.
Yeah, this one is meant for this one.
No, but the butter garlic
The butter garlic is meant for us to use on the grill.
on the grill. But then this marination, the first phase, the second phase, you can use this for any meat.
You can use it for any meat. You can use it for any meat. Once you've done it, so the first, the sourness, that factor of it is there. That we have specifically for seafood, I've kept it a little bit extra sour.
Okay. Extra sour in the sense, what do you add to reduce
Vinegar.
the vinegar?
So
Okay.
you add less of lemon juice or less of salt
Okay.
or less of vinegar, it will give you a better marinade for other.
Okay.
It will give you a better marinade for the other ones.
Okay. So you marinate, say,
I've kept
chicken.
I've kept it a little bit more extra sour because we are doing seafood.
Okay.
So we check this has to be really hot. Yeah. You need to be. I mean, ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए.
ठीक है. So in the house you'll have to find a big tawa, a dosa kal or something like that. डोसा का जो आता है.
ठीक डोसा तवा अगर आप डोसा तवा पे ये डाल रहे हो तो थोड़ा छोटा खरीद लेना.
इतना बड़ा तो
डोसा तवा पे बैठेगा.
दो हाँ नहीं बैठेगा. You'll have to do आगे पीछे and do it. But can be done.
Nothing is impossible. You may also look at an OTG if you want.
OTG is there.
हाँ, OTG में
Put it in the plate and now,
get that hot first.
yeah, 20 minutes,
Put it
10
in-
minutes hot, 200 degrees.
Yeah, 200 degrees, 10 minutes. Get the plate hot.
Yeah.
Then take it out. Drizzle oil. Immediately put it. Shove it back.
Okay, and leave it for how long then?
OTG, the first half should take you about 4 to 5 minutes.
Just to heat the plate up 4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And once the meat is in, then
So once you've turned it around, you want it to caramelize. Just अभी जो मसाला अंदर है, you want that masala to caramelize inside.
so
Once
for
that
the,
is done, then we'll turn it over.
how long will that take in an OTG?
In an OTG, that should take about roughly about 4 minutes. It should take.
Okay, 4-5 minutes, and then you turn it.
over, and then you can finish cooking in the oven.
That's another 5 minutes then.
5 to 7.
5 to 7 minutes. But taste-wise, this is going to be better, maybe
100%.
100%.
ஏதாச்சும் கவர் பண்ணுறது ஏதாச்சும் பெருசா
Benefit of covering?
steam.
Huh?
They're cleaning steam.
Huh.
You can't cook the lobster with the heat or all.
You mean to say the skin turning red?
Not only the skin turning red, the depth of the meat is so much.
Yeah.
Just purely keeping it like this,
Okay.
or purely keeping it like that is not going to get us to
Inside. The heat
like get
inside.
the heat inside.
But that the width of the meat is there for everything, even chicken or even mutton. The thickness is always there. More
Yeah.
than this, and
so,
it's
but chicken and mutton, you're not going to be able to do it like this. The protein fibers in it are different.
okay.
The chicken or the mutton has got more muscle in it.
Okay.
Yeah. Through that muscle, for you to get more heat inside is more difficult.
Okay.
This is just pure protein.
So generally in butter garlic prawns, which they make very often, you just have to drop this butter garlic blend onto the pan and throw in the prawns and garnish it with something. That's about it, basil or whatever, and maybe a touch of salt if necessary.
If you see the
Pepper,
butter,
of course.
the butter that you're using it at home
Yeah.
might be more salty than this.
Okay.
Based on that,
Okay.
so be always careful with the salt when you're using butter.
For 5 minutes.
Yeah, at least.